In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a basic product bundle in Wix Bundles. Start by opening your Wix account and going to your website dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the Apps area, select Product Bundles to open the Bundle Management section. When the Product Bundles page loads, click Create New Bundle to begin setting up a new bundle. You will first work in the Select Bundle Products section. Click Add or Edit Products to choose the items you want to include. A product selection window will appear, and here you can pick the products that will become part of your bundle. After selecting the products you want, confirm your choices to return to the bundle setup page. Next, move to the Bundle Price section. This is where you set the pricing for the bundle. You can either enter a discount percentage or set a specific bundle price. Choose the option that works best for your store and your pricing strategy. As you enter the pricing information, Wix will display helpful values such as the cost of bundle goods, bundle profit, and bundle margin. Review these numbers carefully so you understand how the bundle will affect your pricing and profitability. After pricing, go to the Bundle Info section. Enter a clear bundle name that helps customers understand what they are buying. If you want to highlight the offer, you can also add a ribbon label. This is optional, but it can help the bundle stand out in your store. Then add a description for the bundle. Keep the description simple and informative so shoppers know what is included and why the bundle is valuable. On the right side of the page, review the Your Bundle Includes and Categories panels. These sections help you confirm that the correct products are included and show how the bundle will be organized within your store. Take a moment to check that everything looks accurate before moving on. Once you are satisfied with the setup, save or publish the bundle. After that, preview your online store to make sure the bundle appears correctly and looks the way you expect for customers. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.